I'm going to address this whole assault rifle thing again. Um, Again, just to teach you guys um, and to explain how politicians and the media want to scare you and tell you exactly what an assault rifle is. And I'm here again to tell you the truth. I'm going to put up some pictures. I'm going to show you what a real assault rifle is. But at the same time, I'm just going to show you some other ones that the media wants you to believe and the politicians want you to believe is an assault rifle. And you're going to see for yourself what it really is. All right, so first let's start with an AR. By the way, AR does not stand for assault rifle. It stands for Armalite. It's the original company that came up with this concept. And the model number 15 is just the model number 15. So AR-15, that's how it came about. There's AR-10, which is a bigger receiver. But anyway, this is all about AR-15 here. So here you see an AR-15. Ooh, bad evil. Look at that thing. Look out. All right. And then here, I'm going to show you. Oh, man. Look at that machine gun. That thing will blow up a truck. And look out. Yeah, that's real scary there. And, ooh, look at that one there. That's called an H&K G36. Whew. Look at that thing. Look out. That's real scary. But the funny thing is, oh no, wait. Ooh. Look at that crazy looking thing, all red with the scope and all that stuff. Guys, all that is this. Just like you would get your car. And you would put 20-inch rims on there and a booming system with big exhaust in the back, so you're rolling down the street, everybody hears you. That's all you're doing is getting this gun, taking that wood stock apart, keeping the barrel, the receiver, and the trigger. This one here has a different barrel, but still same concept, and just making it look different. That's it. You know? Or we go here, and ooh, look out. Scary. And look at this machine gun. Oh my God, that thing will destroy. It's a 22, people. It's a 22. It's a Ruger 1022. That's all it is. Here's the AR platform. Look at that. Ooh, look out. It's a 1022. It's this rifle right here. That's all it is. That's it. Just mocked up. He made it look all pretty and crazy looking. Well, that's all it is. That's it. Now, here is an H&K 416. You see that selector switch over there? There's a little red in the center there and then a white. Okay? This is a real assault rifle. Okay? This is not available to the public. It's not a civilian version. This is a military and police version. This, you put that selector all the way in the back, one pull, and you'll spend that entire magazine within seconds. This is an assault rifle. Now look at this one. It's a Sig Sauer 516. Okay? Look just like the other one. Look just like that little 22. But it's not an assault rifle. Here, look. Ooh, nice. Dark earth color. You know, different color now. Ooh. Real dangerous. It's not an assault rifle. It's also a Sig Sauer 516. Now, for all of you that have heard people, and all the time you hear this in the news or shows, you know, they don't even use this for hunting. Well, people, they do. Bushmaster makes a version that is camo, and it's got the camouflage on it, and it's got a bipod, and it's got a scope on top. But look at it. It's the same AR-15 style rifle. It's not an assault rifle. It's a semi-automatic rifle. And yet, the media makes you believe that it's an assault rifle. People use this for hunting. Look at it. It's a hunting rifle. That's all it is. But they make you believe that it is this right here. Okay, now so let me show you a real H&K. This is a real H&K G36 assault rifle. It's not an AR. It's an H&K G36 assault rifle. Now let's bring up that 22 again. There it is. Here, I'll put the other one back. Look at that. That's assault. This is just a little 22. This is this just mocked up, just like you would do to a car. Let's put some nice chrome wheels, 22s. Let's lower the suspension. Let's put an exhaust, put a booming system in there. Let's put a tiny steering wheel in there. It's the same exact concept. Here is the assault rifle. The big, evil assault rifle. This is a fully automatic weapon, not available to civilians. Here is the 22. There is your 22, which is this. Okay? So I just wanted to clarify that for you so you understand what the differences are, and you see that what the media is telling you about this rifle is all lies. Lies. This right here, that H&K 416, military and police only. You cannot get your hands on that. You can't. It's just virtually impossible. You can't. You would have to go and know that a police department has it. You would have to go and whack everybody there and take it, because it's not available to you. It's just not available. You cannot get this. Alright, folks, so that's all I have to say again about assault rifles. It's not an assault rifle. What our civilians use is just a semi-automatic rifle. That's it. That's all it is. It's been around for 100 years. Bye.